Hi, my name's Michael Ledwich. We're going to do a tutorial today on the BIAnalytix system. BIAnalytix is a business intelligence and data warehouse system specifically designed for the media industry. Today we're going to talk about the master data management tool called Mapper. Its goal is to allow people to bring together many different records and unify and cleanse them, whether they've come from different sources or come from multiple mistypes by operators. We've opened up the Mapper utility and gone into the advertiser configuration, which shows us on the left-hand side all of the thousands and thousands of records that have come in from many different sources. You can see in the bottom left-hand corner that it is loading in the background the thousands of records concerned, and we can see information related to the source information, and we also can see the source code and the name of the advertiser that came in. And most importantly, we can see whether they're currently mapped to the corporate unified cleansed record or whether they currently do not have a mapping. So the goal of this exercise is to find the ones that are unmapped and then to connect those ones into the correct master record if it exists. So what we can do is we can find one of these records, such as the Goshen Cancer Centres, and right click on it and push the search up into both the text search for the detailed records and also push a text search up for the records on the right hand side. When you've right clicked on Goshen Cancer Centre on the left and done the search for it on both sides, you can see not only all of the different records that text match on the left hand side with Goshen Cancer Centre, we can also see the records on the right hand side as to whether there is an existing master record for Goshen. So having found that there is no record on the right, we now click on the records on the left that should form a new mapping, and we can see that the second, third and fourth record on the left hand side, when you click on them, do form the list of records we'd like to map. Selecting further records on the left from the selection by clicking on them, we do get them in the list to add into the right hand side. Now, without a new record, we do create one that fits the criteria, so we can type in now the Goshen Cancer Centre in whatever format we want the master record to appear, and save it so that it now becomes a target for the mapping that we want to do. So if we clear the filter on the right, we can see that the Goshen Cancer Centre that we've created is available to map to, and then we can just select the map function to bring all of these records, detailed records that are scattered throughout our database, and unify them and connect them to the Goshen Cancer Centre. And now we can see that those records are connected and mapped through. So this process, with its very powerful text retrieval, unifying all of the records out of the very large detailed database, which can have hundreds of thousands of records, in particular some cases millions of records, and using text searching to gather together all of the records that represent the same business entity, quickly creating that central business entity and mapping these records to it, completes the process of moving through all of the unmapped records to construct a corporate record structure for reporting. Now, out of your data warehouse, you can analyse and report by a unified and unique set of business entities, and know that all of these separate records from different sources that do represent that same record will report underneath that record. Obviously, processes to be able to delete spurious corporate records, to cleanse and edit them, are available as well to form a complete interface to map these larger record sets. So that's a quick run through of the basic purpose of this powerful tool that is able to very quickly manipulate and search for these missing and unmapped records and form the corporate record set. So that concludes the tutorial on the BIAnalytix system. Thank you for your time.